Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today, and today I would like to share with you some reinforcement that I'm going to be giving this canopy bed. I've had it in one of my dollhouses, but it's a little bit flimsy. It is missing some parts that connect to each other, and that's why it's a little bit on the flimsy side. So what I want to do is, I have this piece here. This is from a round placemat that I bought at Walmart a while back, and I've made several pieces using this piece, just cutouts of this. So this time what I did was I cut another piece like this, and I took a cardboard and stuck it to this side. So this is going to be a headboard, and this headboard is going to keep it together on that side. Now notice the bed here, how high this is, right? And over here doesn't have anything. So this is the end of the bed and this is the front. But I'm going to keep it reversed on purpose. I'm going to keep this as the end of the bed because I want to add this headboard to it. So what I want to do is I want to glue this to the poles and it'll have its own headboard. So why don't I try that? I hope this glue works. This is super glue, Loctite. And for that, I'm going to have to remove everything from this bed. You can see it there. So everything comes off. So this is the side that I want to glue the headboard on. Right there, you see it? So what I want to do is I want to put some glue right there, okay? But I have to tilt this bed. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I'll show you in a minute. It won't be too long. I just want to make sure that I place it on there and that it sticks. Okay, now I am going to show it to you. So it did stick. Look at that. Not bad. Let's see. Okay, it already stuck, but I think I can leave it at that height. You know what I'm saying? So I'll put this doll back here. I'll put the little pillows. Yeah, you know what? It doesn't matter that the headboard is that high because it allows the pillows to rest against it. So it's not that bad. So let me place everything that she had back here. She's going through some jewelry there. Okay, and what else? So yeah, so look at the headboard. I'm going to place it here right in front of the fireplace. So I like the way the headboard came out. There's so much more that you can do with this, you know, just cutting pieces. Look at this. This is like a rubber. And it was a placemat. I think it was like $2.99 at Walmart a while back. So every now and then, if I have any use for it, I'll cut it up. And oh, in the gigantic dollhouse, I have a living room and I'm using the middle part that I cut out as a rug in the middle of the room. So anyway, tell me how you like that. This headboard. I hope that you enjoyed. And thank you so much for watching.